Everyone tags assets differently. Some teams label every device that comes in the door, others rely on serial numbers and just hope that nothing ever moves. If you want a practical, low overhead way to tag your hardware and pull up full device details on your phone and other devices, let me show you. Hi, I'm Beran, product specialist at InvGate. Before we get started, remember you can always grab a free trial of our solutions at try.invgate.com and follow along. There's a link in the description. With InvGate Asset Management, you can generate QR codes for any device in your inventory. Here's the full workflow: inventory, label, scan. To start, your assets need to be in the system. Assets can be added manually, imported via CSV, discovered by our agent, or pulled in through integrations like Jamf, Intune, Azure, and Google Cloud. But once your assets are loaded in, every record is automatically populated with fields specific to that asset type. So for a laptop, that could be things like manufacturer, model number, serial number, assigned to user, location, and warranty expiration date. You can also add custom fields for anything that isn't tracked or anything that your team tracks that isn't there by default. That could be end of life information, last maintenance, purchase info. You can even include invoices right in the record itself. Before generating codes, it's worth making sure that your records have the information that you want accessible on the scan. Whatever is in the record comes through when someone scans the code. Now let's generate the codes. I'm going to select the assets that I want to label. So first I'm going to go to Explorer View. Now let's generate the codes. We're going to select the assets that we want to label. So maybe it's just these 5 devices. And then once I've got them selected, I can see that there are 3 buttons at the bottom. Here, I'm going to click the 3 dots and I'm going to choose Generate Selected QR Codes. This lets us choose document or CSV, so I can put it out as a CSV file, but I want this to be a document. Auto adjust is letter size, and you can also choose thermal printer layouts once you get to the print screen. 1 per row is also useful, but I'm going to keep it at auto adjust. Here is what we're going to set what appears under each label. So I'm going to use inventory ID because I always switch this. I don't use asset number because it's just a number. The inventory ID is what we call our machine. So without it, you'd have to scan every code to confirm which device is which of course doesn't make sense. Then I can go to print here and it's going to give me a preview of what it's going to print. So I can see, number 1, that I'm missing a couple inventory IDs, so I need to add those for those devices so it prints underneath. But here I can choose a different printer if I need to. I can change the layout if I need to, and change, of course, additional printer settings. Now, once I print this and it goes to my sticker sheet, I can go and affix these to the machines. Once the labels are on, scanning is instant. Pull out your phone, scan the code. I'm using the responsive site for our asset management system. And then the asset comes up and you're looking at the full asset profile. All the active data that you need to make decisions and take action. And if something needs updating, you can edit that right from the mobile view. Change the status, update the location, tags, or owner. You don't need to be at a desk to keep records accurate. That's QR codes in InvGate Asset Management. Generate, print, apply, and scan. There's no extra hardware, no specialized readers, just your phone and a label. But don't forget, you can always grab a free trial of our solutions at try.invgate.com, and the link is in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again soon.